This video will look at the BOM History Inquiry window in WilloWare's Manufacturing Power Pack. The BOM History Inquiry window provides a most recently used list for the bill of materials entry window, so that any bill of materials that's displayed in the bill of materials entry window shows up in the BOM History Inquiry, and then provides you one-click access to quickly get back to a previously viewed bill of materials. Now, it also shows the complete keys to the bill of materials that you're viewing. So if you're looking at an archived or configured bill of materials, you can also quickly move back and forth between different bills of material without having to select the BOM type and BOM name. The BOM History Inquiry window also provides a hotkey to zoom to a bill of materials. The reason that this is important is that the Select Item button doesn't always work. So, for example, in this case we have a subassembly that is a archived bill of materials. The archived bill of materials is contained inside of the 100 XLG manufacturing BOM. If we click the Select Item button in this situation, it's going to zoom to the manufacturing BOM for CBA 100. So as you can see, the Select Item button incorrectly zooms back to the manufacturing BOM. Essentially what's happening is the Select Item button is retaining the BOM type and BOM name from the parent bill of materials. So the BOM History Inquiry window adds this Control-Z navigation, which will correctly zoom back to the selected bill of materials. So in this case, we can select the archive BOM, press Control-Z, and it drills back to that selected bill of materials rather than going back to the manufacturing BOM. And then again, using the BOM History Inquiry, we can quickly go back to the parent BOM or any of the other bills of material that we viewed. This same window, the BOM History Inquiry, is also attached to the BOM View window. And in this case, anything that is viewed in the BOM View shows up over in the BOM History window, and you can one-click and it brings you back to the bill of materials in BOM View. And then this button, rather than providing access to the BOM Inquiry window, which when we were in the BOM entry, this button said BOM Inquiry. When you're in BOM View, it switches and provides access to the BOM entry window. So it's these features that make the BOM History Inquiry window a great utility for making it quicker and easier to navigate around in both the bill of materials entry and bill of materials view windows. If you'd like to learn more about this product or any of the other WilloWare software, please visit us at willowware.com or send us an email at sales@willowware.com.